Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have GA4 and Search Console linked. Now act. First, verify your G-tag or GTM fires on every page and that enhanced measurement captures page views and site search. Next, set the site search query parameter and enable cross-domain tracking if needed. Create 3 audiences immediately: organic-only traffic, new versus returning users, and converters from forms or purchases. Once done, you've established accurate inputs, so every later report reflects real SEO behavior and not sampling or missing data. Now build the reports that tell you what to fix. Open Explorations and create a landing pages table filtered to organic sessions. Show AVG engagement time and conversion rate so you prioritize pages that move the needle. Then apply segments for high impression but low CTR pages, and for pages with high bounce, compare metrics side by side. Also push custom dimensions like page template, publish date, and keyword group so you can slice by technical factors and content age. This lets you pick efficient SEO wins. You've identified targets. Now implement changes and measure impact. Start by optimizing titles and meta descriptions to lift CTR, expand thin content with intent-driven sections, and fix page speed and mobile UX issues that reduce engagement. Run a/B tests for title variants and track the same GA4 metrics before and after to confirm wins. If numbers look off, troubleshoot. Check that tags fire consistently, inspect any filters or data streams, and cross-check trends against Search Console to validate search impression and query shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.